So it's simple how to replace a washing machine door switch. So this is the door switch. So what we're going to do is we remove the rubber clipper. So there's a spring, we look for the spring somewhere here. So we remove the spring. Once we remove that, you pull out the rubber, push it in. So once it's pushed in, now we open the two screws. There we go. Keep them safe. And then this is the switch, so you just using your finger push it in. There you go. This is the switch. This is the wires that connect to the switch, so you just pull it out like that, and there we go. So that is how to remove the door switch, and replacing is just the same procedure. So to replace something on the door switch, so down here, this is in the drain filter area. So this is for emergency. So let's say the door is completely locked and it can't open. So you open here and then you pull this down. Okay, so once you pull this down here, it will open the door. Emergency here. So leave that. So once you remove the door switch, you've changed it, you plug it back like that. Once it's plugged back, return this. So this one here is hooked to where you remove it. You just plug it there. So then you push it in. So it should come somewhere here, and you pull it out. And then with the door switch, you push it in like that. Take your screws, turn the screws, turn the other screw, your screwdriver, ensure they are tight. Once that is done, pull back the rubber, you fix it to where it should be, like that. Just plug it back all around. Like that. So once that one is plugged, you take the clipper, put it around like that. So here you can just plug something here to hold it tight. Then for me, I prefer to do it this way. So this spring here should be out. So what you do, you just pull it like that using a fast screwdriver, like that, like that. Lock that, and the door switch is replaced. Simple as that.